Welcome. This is your time to slow down and reconnect. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Let your body arrive gently into stillness. When you're ready, allow your eyes to close or simply soften your gaze. Let your hands rest where they feel most at ease, on your lap, by your side, or over your heart. Let's begin now by connecting with the breath. Take a slow, steady breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Again, breathe in slowly, allowing your belly to expand, and breathe out with softness and ease. One more deep breath in and a slow breath out. Feel your body supported by the surface beneath you. You don't need to hold anything right now. You're safe here. You're held. Now I invite you to bring your awareness to this gentle truth. I am worthy of love exactly as I am. Let's say it again. I am worthy of love exactly as I am. You don't need to repeat it just yet. Just allow the words to land softly, like a warm sunlight resting on your skin. Let your breath be slow and steady as you simply listen. This affirmation is not something you have to believe perfectly. It's something we practice gently, with compassion, until it begins to feel like home. Let's say it together now. Inhale slowly. I am. And exhale gently. Worthy of love exactly as I am. Again, breathe in. I am. Breathe out. Worthy of love exactly as I am. You can whisper it, speak it aloud, or just hold it in your heart. Inhale. I am. Exhale. Worthy of love exactly as I am. Let your breath be your anchor. Let these words move through you like a tide. Now imagine this affirmation taking form. Picture a soft, golden light just above your heart. With every breath in, this light expands. And with every breath out, it gently surrounds you. Breathe in. And breathe out. This light is love. It doesn't judge. It doesn't demand. It just is. Let it wrap around your shoulders. Let it flow down your spine. Let it rest in the quiet places you've hidden from the world. You don't need to fix anything. You don't need to earn love. This light is here simply because you exist. Inhale. I am held. Exhale. I am loved. Let's do it again. Inhale. I am held. Exhale. I am loved. As you inhale in, say I am held. And as you exhale out, say I am loved. Let's do it together. I am held. I am loved. Sometimes our experiences have told us otherwise. Maybe you were made to feel like you had to change, to hide, to shrink. But those were the stories of survival, not the truth of your worth. So let's say it again, not as a demand, but as an offering. I am worthy of love exactly as I am. If that's hard to hold right now, that's okay. We practice anyway, softly, without pressure. I am worthy of love exactly as I am. You are not broken. You are not too much. You are not too far gone. You are human. You are healing. And you are worthy of love, just as you are. I am worthy of love exactly as I am. Let's expand this love just a little further now. You can repeat after me or simply listen. I am enough. I am lovable even in my pain. I am allowed to rest. I am allowed to be seen. My worth is not based on what I do. I deserve love simply because I exist. I am allowed to take up space. I trust the truth of who I am. I am worthy of love exactly as I am. Now take a moment to breathe gently at your own pace. Feel your feet on the ground or wherever you are. Feel your breath in your chest. Feel the quiet power of your presence. You don't need to hold on tightly to this affirmation. Just let it walk with you today. Let it whisper when you forget. Let it hold you when you feel small. I am worthy of love exactly as I am. Now, when you're ready, begin to return to your surroundings. Wriggle your fingers and your toes and gently open your eyes. Thank you for sharing this space today. Thank you for practicing and knowing your worth. You are loved exactly as you are.